What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I'm going to go after the dash lights and see if I can make them a little bit brighter. You can see how they're kind of dim over here in the corners and maybe on this side, but it really doesn't light up the dash very much. Let's see if we can get some brighter bulbs in there. What we're going to be installing is some bulbs from superbrightleds.com. I used them on my last car and I was really happy with them, and plus the price is just ridiculous. They're super cheap. So what you can do is you can go on their website and order various sizes, brightness, colors, all that kind of stuff. And I'll put the part numbers for the bulbs in the description below. And here, these are the green bulbs. These are going to be for the blinkers that we're going to have. I also have, we got a bulb for the red bulb for the bright indicator, the bright headlight indicator. And then we have the bulb for just the regular dash lights. So let's go ahead and take this dash out and we can start putting the new bulbs in. And then there's just a handful of screws along the top here underneath the bottom of the dash that we need to take out. They're just Phillips screws. And as you pull this out, you're going to notice that you can only go so far, and you can still do this job by leaving the dash connected like this and get to the bulb wires. But I find it easier if you just unthread the speedometer cable. Then you can get this out just a little bit farther and get to the various plugs. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go after the two blinker plugs first, and that's on the top and the back here. And all you got to do is just pull it out the back. They're just clipped in. You don't have to spin them or anything. And what you can do is you push in and twist, and they come right out. Now these are upgraded bulbs. These are not the standard bulbs that come in these cars. I can tell already. So the blinker bulbs are probably fine, but I'm gonna make them match the whole set of bulbs that I have. And so another reason why I like the super bright LEDs is these little tabs on the side here are really what make these bulbs really good. I've purchased other sets of bulbs for other Mustangs that I've had, and these tabs are just not long enough, so they don't grab in these cups when you put them in here, and they just fall right out. You just push them in, twist, and they're good to go. Go ahead and snap that back into the back of the dash, and then we can go the other side. Same thing, pull out the back, twist and pull, put the new one in, and install it back in the dash. The next one I'm going to go after is the bulb for the bright indicator for the headlights. And that one I'm actually going with a red bulb, a red LED bulb. There's a red lens on the instrument cluster, so you don't have to put a red bulb in here, but it's not going to hurt anything. All right. And then the last thing we're going to do are the bulbs for the rest of the instrument cluster. So we're just going to start on one end, pull them out, and replace them with a new one. And there are 4 of these dash light or the instrument cluster bulbs. And the last one. All right, from here, it's probably a good idea to check everything before we put it all back together. All right, let's turn it on. Okay, I'm noticing in the back of the camera, which I'm looking at the screen, I can see that it's not lit up very well in the camera, but it's a much more uniform, brightness on the instrument cluster here. Before, I think I had one bright spot here and one bright spot here, and nothing else was really lit up. And going again from the camera, you can't hardly tell, but from what I'm seeing, I can see a lot more of the dash. So that's good. That's what we wanted. And then we'll check the high beam bulb. Yep, see it lights up red, so we're good there. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you put new bulbs in your instrument cluster. Very simple. All you really need is just a Phillips screwdriver, and anybody can do that. Again, on those bulbs, you can buy different brightnesses, different colors, even the beam width. You can buy wide and narrow beams depending on what you're looking for. And for this setup, I'm happy. This is a lot easier to read, this cluster now, so I'm happy with it. Guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.